Welcome back to EXPLAINCAD. In this tutorial, we will know how to use sketched bend. First of all, I select this face, sketch normal, and I created a line from here to here. Right click, select options, select this line, make horizontal, and specify the distance from here to here, 30 mm. Right click, select option, come back from the sketch, select sheet metal, and here select sketched bend. From here, select this sketch. In bend parameters, select fixed phase. I select this one, fixed phase. At that line, bend will create. These are bend parameters, bend center line, material inside, material outside, bend outside, and here you can specify some angle. It is at 90 degree. You can specify any angle here, 120 degree. From here you can change its direction, reverse direction. I select 90 degree. Custom bend allowance, K factor 0.5. That is same. Uncheck it. Okay. This is Sketched Bend. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.